Okay, guys, welcome to EJ's Trains. I've got my buddy here. What's your name?
Justin.
Mr. Justin. He's a rail fan. We're out enjoying ourselves, having some rail action. BNSF, hot spot in Chillicothe, Illinois. We got an eastbound on its way coming. Sit back and enjoy. We got an auto rack train here this time, guys. They're like SD70 ACs. Oh, this is a manifest. Yeah. I thought this was just an auto rack, guys. This is actually a manifest train that had a bunch of auto racks on it. Well, guys, as I thought that I was about to leave and go home, I happened to find out that another eastbound train is on its way on approach. And we'll be hearing the horn very shortly. Coming up the hill right now. And I think we're at milepost 1.34, something like that. Yeah, 1.34, Chillicothe subdivision. Windy out here today, guys, on Saturday afternoon, kind of chilly. Yeah, he's pulling up the hill right now. That's a pretty steep grade. I think it's 3%. It's pretty steep. Yeah, he's throttling up right now. Sit back, relax, enjoy EJ's Trains. Continue to follow me on Facebook as well as EJ's Trains on the Road on YouTube. Here she comes. Throttling up. And guys, got my other rail fan friend out here, Mr. How's it going? Mr. Justin. I knew I had his name. There we go. He's also one of my friends on my Facebook page. What's up, guys? We got another intermodal train coming. right, we got a westbound intermodal BNSF coming here in the Chillicothe sub, guys. Got another rail fan here filming as well. We're gonna have some rail fan action today. Sit back and enjoy.